Motor Classics and our restoration of our 1969 BSA Starfire. This is basically our final video and our reveal of the bike. As you've seen over the last few videos, we've worked quite extensively on this bike, basically from, well, a basket case right through to how it will look when you see it on this video. So have a look around the bike and let us know what you think, and tune in next time. You can probably see our next restorations going on. Okay, thank you. Here's the bike.